Okay, so today's raster is that 50% of people, unbelievably, because I sleep on my stomach, 50% of people sleep on their side. Who would have known? Who would have known? So we're asked to prove BTW equals BAT. So that's BTW, which I'm going to call X. BTW is the same as BAT. So that one in there. It's a great proof because it starts with on this side of the diagram, and we are slowly and methodically going to move across until we figure out that one there. The only lines I've drawn on here, guys, is that there and that there are both the radius, and the reason I've done that is because it allows me to create an isosceles triangle here, okay, because both of those sides are the same. The other thing I've drawn is that there is a tangent line, which means that that angle in there is 90 degrees. I'm going to start by saying that I've let BTW, which is the starting angle, equal X. So I'm just telling us that I've labelled it X. The next thing I'm going to say is that OTW, so OTW equals 90 degrees, just for the reason I've said it's a tangent to the radius. So I write that this way, tangent to the radius. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the next angle just moving as we're moving slowly across here is that small one in there, it's OTB. So OTB equals 90 degrees, that 90 degree thing minus my X. Okay, it's minus my X, I'm sticking with the algebra. That means that the base angle, this one over here, is going to be also 90 minus X, so that's OBT. OBT also equals 90 minus X, and that is because base angles in an isosceles triangle are equal. The next one I'm going to work out, hopefully you can see it, if I've got that angle in there and that angle in there, I'm going to try and work out that angle there. So to do that, I go TOB, and this is a little bit tricky. I'm going to go 180, because angles in a triangle add up to 180, minus, it's essentially 2 times 90 minus X. So it's 2 times 90 minus X, because those are my two base angles. That is going to equal, if you worked this out, negative 2 times 90 is negative 180. So 180 minus 180 would be 0. And negative 2 times negative X would be positive 2X. Okay, so that angle in there is 2X. And my final step is to say that this angle here is half of that. Okay, so BAT, which is the one I'm trying to find, equals X, simply because angles at the centre of a circle, that is, 2 times the ones at the circumference. Okay, and that stands for circumference. The final step is to say exactly what they're asking for, which is that there. So therefore BTW equals X, that's my first line of working, which equals, and my last line of working is BAT. So there I have proved that angle BTW, which is X, is equal to BAT, and I might just put an X there just to show that I've done it.